In number 69. Hey Brian, I told you for a long time, many years, you've never had hair. It looks like you have hair on this side. I know, this is awesome, I've got hair again, it's like as a kid. Second time this week I'm gonna have to bathe. I just got done bathing yesterday. I'm going to the cow barn. Yeah, I'm going to be down with the cows later. Might pick up a date and while I'm down there take a shower. So here we are, half pint on the edge. Jesse Cipra in the half pint. Kyle Slater right here in the 593. Ryan Goncz in the 1324, this orange one. Steve Sprouse is in the number 69. Then this one on the end is the one hiding. Oh, there is. Boyle snuck in on me. That 904 on the end is Boyle. These are the grocery getters. These are, once upon a time, the soccer moms' transportation. And look where they are now. So, as soon as we get the pit closed off, as soon as Dan comes back around, we'll get that pit closed. Once that pit's closed, we'll get ready to go, and not until then. I'd like to thank all of our crew here, Dennis, Scotty, Adam, Amy, Chevelle, Jason, Donovan. These guys work. You can't believe how hard these guys work. And I'll tell you what, the other night we got rained on again in Carroll. It just rained and rained and rained. Every year we go there, we get pounded on. Pitch down, so once we go to green, looking on the back, we got green with the end, we got green around here. Last time tonight, so help me out, real lot upstairs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go! Last one, let's go! Tear them up! Okay, once again, your top three get paid, your top three get trophies. All about the top three. Oh, yeah. And I can't express enough, this is an experiment on this Tuesday for us. Sunday is the show. It'll be standing room only up there, so if you want to come Sunday, get here early, because they will run out of space to put you. We got the pro cars coming in Sunday, and we got the finals of our 5,000 to win team. Sunday is going to be the biggest, big event. They're going to have a safety check over here, I think, on the number 69. Aside from this one that just about lost his rear end from getting hit there. And I think they're checking for a fuel leak over there on the 69. Somebody thought they saw liquid pouring out. Could be rainwater, and that's okay. We just want to make sure it's not fuel. Gasoline leaking is the worst thing that can happen out here. You notice the safety uniforms all the drivers wear? Yeah, I didn't notice them either. They wear t-shirts, I don't know why. Muscle shirts, t-shirts, whatever. So if we see a gas leak or smell a gas leak, it's the first thing we go after to make sure that it is not. Anyway, he can continue over here if it'll run. So Kyle Slater's got an opportunity to keep going. If he can get going, green flag is out, we're back underway. 5 hours remain, let's see if Slater can get off the brakes over there. And he can't, he's got nothing. Actually, looking underneath, you can see the CD joint playing underneath it. Pulled right out of the transmission on the axle there, playing in the front. So we're down to 4. The 69 is on the clock. He has 1 minute to get fired up and get it restarted. And he pulls his stick down, so the 69 will go out in third. Or fourth, rather. Tagging down, local schools, I'm from here. So the 69 car will go on fourth. Steve Sprouse from Mentor goes out in fourth. We are in the money. These 3 cars are in the money. Boyle in the 904. Jesse Cipra in that half pint. And Ryan Goncz in the 1324, who's steaming on the backside. These are your money cars. It's actually a pretty good difference in the money here too. It's not just a couple $100. It's a pretty good difference. You want to be first if you can. The 1312 Goncz is on the clock, I'm told. So he is on that 1 minute ticker to get it fired back up. Meanwhile, we have Boyle and Cipra over here. Cipra trying to turn the whole car. Cipra in the showboat. They call him is steaming. They both sound like they're on 4 cylinders apiece. Which is good because that's what they started with. I think one of them even has the radio on. I can hear the radio going in there. He's listening to the radio. I don't know why. But he got the radio on. Uh-oh. Now see, a smart move on Boyle's car. He didn't want to go too far away and give him a running head start to get hit. So we'll see what Jesse has in the white car. Turns himself around. You cannot use the driver's door as a stop sign. We mentioned that in the book. If you do use it as a stop sign and you get hit, well, you got hit. That's all we're going to stick. So we don't encourage the stop sign move. And as I said, they're both running pretty good. They both still have 4 wheels on the ground. Nobody is really severely handicapped at this point in time. Now that I said that, I can see water pouring out of the white one. There's water just pouring out of the front end of the white one, so his radiator is not less. Now they're talking about dinner plans for next week. Either that, tell him what you did with his wife. That'll get him fired up. Sooner or later, somebody's got to make the hit. Now those are words I cannot repeat, so I won't. But I heard them. Now, wow. Oh boy. Anyway, I don't know if they started off as friends, but they're not friends right now. They're playing this little strategic game of cat and mouse. Now I almost feel like I'm watching the Power Wheels again, where we started. We're back at the beginning. We evolved back to where we started from. That being said, I have seen some steam coming out of the 904, so Boyle started to steam, and we know Half-Light was 4 in the wall a little while ago, and that might be a good wall shot, and I couldn't get the traction on him.
My bad.
So he's got to pull off and look to see Half-Light will sneak away the showboat. Sneak it away, and you see more steam coming out of the front of Half-Light. Alright, clearly that doesn't get anything done. He's telling him you have to hit him. I'm like, well, you have to back up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There we go. And the water is just pouring out. Whatever's left is the rest is coming out of the white one. And the yellow one's still not really leaking yet. I'm not a betting man, but I'm going to tell you what Jensen's going to last longer if it goes much more. Simply going to put it to the other. Sometimes you'll get down to this and we'll have 2 cars, it'll go for half an hour. They just got the 2 cars beating on each other. Kind of like a little chess game. They're trying to hit each other, and the pit is very muddy, so you can't get a lot of traction. So it's really hard to get a running start and do any damage. But both cars are on the water. obviously you're only seeing a touch. We don't currently have the bands on the schedule for Sunday, but do you want to see them back here Sunday? You think you fix them? These are Jeremy's listening down here. This is the promoter, Derby Dog. He's listening. So one more time so he can hear you. You want to see these guys back Sunday if they can fix them? All right, well that'll give him something to think about. We'll talk to him in the pits afterwards. But you got a couple easy fixes over there. And these guys are just going down to water. They'll throw a new radiator in it and they'll come back maybe. So we'll talk about that. Maybe we can get them added to Sunday's show because we got a huge show anyway. Might as well add them if we can. And now you'll notice it sound differently. And the half plate is no longer running. The white one is no longer running. He's trying to fire it up. The yellow one is running, but he stinks real bad. The yellow one has made the last hit. Now he's not running either. Uh-oh. Now once again, they have a minute. They have a minute to get him fired back up. So it's up to him.